Thank you, Ronald. We had cloud-free skies still dominating the weather across much of South Africa throughout Thursday. But over the eastern sections, we are still looking at this low-pressure system, which is continually pushing rain-bearing clouds into parts of KwaZulu-Natal, even further inland into Mpumalanga, where we stayed with isolated rain showers throughout Thursday. Now, we are going to stay with some showers this evening for much of KwaZulu-Natal and maybe spilling into the southeastern areas of the Mpumalanga province. Further into the northeastern sections, it's going to be partly cloudy and mostly fine conditions, but chilly weather can be expected for much of the interior, particularly over the Free State. And off the Namibian coast, we are looking at this low pressure system, which is associated with a cutoff flow in the upper levels of the atmosphere, already producing some thunderstorms that are going to be trekking along the west coast towards the northern parts of the Northern Cape as we head into the weekend. In the meantime, here's how your Friday is going to look like. We are going to start off the day with light rain and drizzle across much of KwaZulu-Natal, and it's going to be partly cloudy and dry for the northeastern sections, mostly sunny weather for the rest of South Africa. Then towards the late afternoon hours, we will see a lot of high-level cloud moving into the western sections and thunderstorms starting to creep into the northwestern areas of the Northern Cape. Now tonight we are going to have up to a 40% chance of light rain along the KZN coastal areas and the adjacent interior. Needless to say, it's going to be dry for the rest of South Africa. So if you're in Durban this evening, you can expect things to look more like this. It's going to be mostly cloudy to overcast with light rain and drizzle, and overnight temperatures will drop to around 16 degrees as we get into Friday morning. Now we're going to have light overnight winds across much of South Africa, rather breezy however for the western areas of the Northern Cape, thanks to this low pressure system in the Atlantic Ocean, which is going to allow for big winds to blow into the west coast, where warm to hot afternoon temperatures are forecast for your Friday. Now, talking of Friday, here's how it is going to look like for your Thursday night. It's going to be pretty chilly for much of the interior, where you see the darker shades of blue. Overnight temperatures could drop to below freezing, while above freezing for the minimum in Bloemfontein, Kimberley and Bethlehem. We'll see minimums of around 3 degrees, a bit warmer for Johannesburg, a low temperature of 17 for Durban. Cooler as we go towards East London and Port Elizabeth, both dropping to 13. A low of 12 is forecast for Cape Town. It's going to be fairly warm along much of the west coast. Then on Friday afternoon, we are going to have hot afternoon temperatures for the western areas. Vredendal making it to around 34 degrees, 29 for Cape Town. A bit cooler as we go towards the southern areas, where highs in the mid-20s are expected. A high of 24 for Durban, a bit cooler for Richards Bay, peaking at 23. The same for Mbombela and Polokwane. It's going to be mild for Johannesburg with a top temperature of 21. A warm 25 is forecast in Mahikeng. Then on Saturday, we are going to see thunderstorms over the western areas of the Northern Cape. Cape Town is going to be mostly cloudy and warm. Light rain for Richards Bay and Mbombela. It will be dry in Gauteng. Then on Sunday, very unsettled weather can be expected for the western areas with rain showers forecast in Cape Town. That's all from me for now. Back to you.